Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Today, guys, we will show you how to remove and replace armrest lid on a Dodge Charger or Dodge Magnum, guys. I think even Chrysler 300 will be the same. Stay with us, guys. We're gonna start on it now. We have an amazing video how to recover those and make them look awesome without buying one. So check it out. It will be on the channel very soon. We did another even BMW like that. We matched it great. So yeah, let's go start on it. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel, guys, together. Be part of it. Let us know what you think. So first thing that we need to do, guys. Okay, you can see that armrest right here. It's pretty bad. Okay, let me show you. It has so much wear, and that's normal for those, even though the car has only 90,000 miles. You need to open it, guys, and once you open it, okay, there is a few screws that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Or I think a 7mm socket might work as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove those now. And yeah, check it out. We have a video how to recover those and what you need to get, because not every leather covering that they send you is good. We had some really bad ones in the past, and we have some that are just amazing, and it's a pleasure to work with. Okay, last one now right there. So that's pretty simple, guys. We have amazing amount of videos for that Dodge Charger Magnum. We did engine replacements and all kind of stuff, so check it out. It's on the channel, and more videos to come as well. Okay, so now if you close it a little bit, you can just pull it out, guys. And that's the armrest lid right here, as you can see. Not very complicated to remove at all, just 4 screws so far. So that will be, guys, the whole video for removing the armrest. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, let us know, guys, what you think. Your opinion is really appreciated, so we know if we're doing something good or not. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.